what's doing. It's raining. Something a little bit different this time. We're going to a 4x4 shows for the Sunshine Coast 4x4 Club well, as a club, it's on Insta. I'll put his deets in here. And we are in Maroochydore. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's right. We're out here at Spotlight Maroochydore. There's probably about 100 cars, maybe even more. We'll have a wander around the car park. It's raining on and off, but we'll see what's hanging around. They've got a flexi thing on as well, flex challenge on, and there's heaps of four drives. I'll see what cool things are around and I'll show you.
Still going? Are you still going?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you stopping on that? You still going? You still going?
I'm alright.
You still going? I know when someone's not doing that.
It's pretty good.
I can't wait tomorrow. Do it again! I'll go to the manning zone. I'll bet we'll go in like 10 minutes.
He's just done it now. He's done it now.
He's got
Yeah, well there you go, so a bit of a flex comp on. I'll have a bit of a wander and see if there's any cool cars. There's heaps of cars. This car park is full, and it's everything from old school stuff to new stuff to weird stuff. So we'll have a wander around so we can see. So we've got something a little bit different going on with these jiggers. This is 1460. Big. So yeah, this car park is chockers, Trolls, Hiluxes, Land Cruisers, Land Rovers, Tritons, Jeros, Prados, N60s, N70s, N80s, Rangers, heaps of rock lights, heaps of LEDs. It's just started to rain again, but there's a line up of people here to go on this flex ramp. So I'll see what else we can see. And keep cleaning the water off the lens for you so it doesn't muck it up. Heaps of those things, heaps of shed life stickers, Mako. Maybe we can get some underbonnet artistry happening. All the cool trials with the flexi boy stuff.
Why haven't you got the bus?
All food trials and high lifts. Quick easy spring change on the fly, change your right. This is what we're talking about. God's motor. He's just missing the thing off the side here, but he's halfway there. Yeah, cute.
You got a bit more still in it?
Yeah, oh, now you all want to move. Now you all want the photos? They're getting the photo now.
they're cheaper coils, but they're cool as shit. Well, there's more, the rain stops, so there's more Flexi Boys stuff happening. Otherwise it's a show and shine, and people showing off their rigs, so it's not too bad. There's heaps of cars here, like again I've said a few times, but the car park extends over there as well, all the way through the spotlight and all the way down. There is a lot of cars, and 60 more shed lights. TV needs some of those lights, but yeah, it's not too bad. Like I said, for the first time coming out, it's not too bad. There's a variety of things, and heaps of people, different tastes on cars and different mods, so it was good to see, I guess, and good to see heaps of four drivers in the community out and about. So hopefully they don't stuff it up and they can keep having these sorts of events. I'll have another wander around, see if there's anything cool. So if they hit this top plate here, if they hit the top plate, it's 50 bucks cash. It's quite a high. It's probably let's have another go. Alright, this is Kaya's patrol. We've got a clutch in his car when she last dusted it. So we'll see how much she can flex up. So her Instagram's on the back window there. Alright, there's a massive line up. People trying to do the flexi. So yeah, I'm probably going to head home. Heaps of cars here. Next time it's on, I'll post up on our socials so you can see. Heaps of people here. Well worth coming out if you're into four drives and having a look. Yeah, seems like a pretty good night, pretty good crew, and heaps of four drives. Alright, that's it from me. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.